Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of shipping availability check for Magento 2. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be taking you through the module configuration and the workflow of this extension at the front end. But before that, let me tell you how this extension actually works. Is that it allows the customers to find out the availability of a particular product using their zip codes. So there's no need to go to the checkout page within the Magento 2 to find whether a particular product is available at their particular zip code or not. So what we have done is that we have set up a zip code validator, which is present on each of the product pages itself. And the customers can enter their zip code to check the availability of their particular zip code, and if it's available at their zip code, the customers can go ahead and make a checkout for the purchase of the product. So that was much about this this extension. So what I'll be doing is I'll be first taking you to the module configuration settings in the admin backend, and after that I'll be taking you to the front end to show you the workflow of this extension in a better way. So let's go to the admin backend panel first. So to go to the configuration settings of this extension, we need to go to the admin backend panel. So I've already logged in, and after that we'll be navigating through stores, configuration. Then under the web code block, we need to have to search for the zip code validator, and here it is. You just need to click that out, and this would bring up the configuration settings for the zip code validator extension that we've installed within the Magento 2 web store. And here we have two different settings under the zip code validator configuration. So the very first option that we have is to enable zip code validator module. So if you have selected the yes option, then the module would be enabled, and the validator would also be visible at the front end on the different various web pages of the products. And if you've selected no, then this extension would not be activated, would not be enabled. So it would be disabled if you select it as no. So you need to select it as yes to make use of it. So let me take you through to the product page, and let me show you if we have selected the apply to all products, then what actual options do we get on the product page. And I'll also show you if we have selected apply to individual products, then what exactly do we get on the particular product. So that way you'll know how to select the regions for the products if you selected the apply to individual products, and you can also come to know what different options do we get on the product page if we have selected the option that is applied to individual products. So first we'll go for the apply to all products, and I'll click the save configuration button here. Now as soon as the configuration has been saved, I'll go to the product page for any of the products there. So here I am on the black sofa. This is one product that I have, and I have applied the configuration as for the zip code validator availability. I have set it to as apply to all products. So now this setting would be applied to all of the products, and the regions that would be available for all of the products would be the selected regions that you selected here. So on the black sofa page here, you can see that next to the zip code validation option, we have a drop down, and if we click on the drop down, we have two options to choose from. One is to apply the default configuration. This way what would happen is that whichever regions that you have selected within the configuration here would be assigned to this product here. So that would be same for all the products, because we have set the setting as apply to all products. So now when we come here, we can also change the setting as well. So how you can do that? You can select the option is particular product, and that way you can change the setting for this particular product that we had set to apply for the all products. Now we have selected the particular product for this current product, and now we can change the zones as per our requirement there. So that was about how the two options are available if we select the apply to all products. Otherwise, I'll just show you. For example, if we select it as apply to individual products, and I click the save configuration button, and after that I'll just refresh this page here. So the page is just coming up back. So this is the black sofa once again, and now here you can see that we have only the regions to select for the particular product. If we have selected that the zip code validator availability should apply to individual products. So that's the thing. So these options are here, and accordingly, if you wish, you can select or deselect any of the regions that you want to make available for this particular product. And that was much about how the configuration works in this extension. And I've also shown you how the zip code validator availability works, apply to individual products and apply to products. And lastly, let me tell you one more thing, that to apply the settings, if you have selected the individual products, then after configuring these settings for this extension within this module, you need to go to your particular products, and then you can accordingly select the regions for each of the products there. And if you have selected the availability as apply to all products, so here we have set it as apply to all products. Here we have also selected Noida East and Noida West, and let me save this configuration, and let me refresh this page once again. So this was for when we have selected only one. Now we have selected for all, and that setting would be applicable to all of the products. We can also change that by again going to the zip code validation section and selecting it. If you want to select this for a particular if you want to make the settings for a particular, otherwise you can select the apply default configuration, and we'll save the settings. Now let me take you to the front end, as I've made the setting as apply to all products, and I've set it as Noida East and West as well. So let me search on the front end, and let me see if whether the zip code of Noida is available for the delivery of this particular product at my place. So let me enter the zip code, and let me hit the check button. So this product is available at 201301, and let me try something else apart from that. So that product is not available at the other one. So after clicking, also you can see the recent pin codes that have been used for a particular product when you are at a particular product page. So that was I think much about the shipping availability check for Magento extension. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.